Hi guys, I'm back with this great journal that we made for my friend, and we are going to pick out the tags today for it, okay? And one other thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to do tags, and we're going to do end of the page trim. This is just a sample one, so I just use paper bag. And then I'll use a piece of like concordance or dictionary page, something crinkly and old. And then I'll put a piece of fabric on top. This is not the best one I've made, but just to get an idea. So we're gonna make that, and we're gonna pick tags right now. Yay. So for this journal, it's small. I don't wanna pick a ton because I don't want it to get too, you know, bulky too quick. If you're wondering what that says, it says LOOR, E-L-R-O-I. I know it might look like a B. The God who sees me. Genesis 16:13. And then Proverbs 3:5. And it's trust in the Lord. If you're ever interested in any of these prayer rocks, just let me know. We have bigger ones too that have script on that I'll be showing you throughout videos that you can put in your garden, because that's what I'm doing with mine as he finishes them. So I'm hoping to get some videos out to you guys to show you what those are going to look like. Okay, so again, with our tucks, okay, let's grab a bag and see what we have. This is a little journal. Remember, it has pink in it. Let's untie. Oh, see, this pocket is cute. Even though it has a little bit of, that's cute. We're gonna keep that to the side. That's cute too. Let's do that. Oh, look at that logo. Been looking for that. Yeah, those look good. Let's just use those two. So that's one each for that. Let's get us a, let's see if we have anything we like. Ooh, got purple. Should have used that in that journal. Oh well. I have stuff everywhere, but it's getting into a better spot. So let's see. I'm not too, it's a really, oh no, I'm just not feeling it. Not feeling it. Not interested in this one too much. Okay, so let's move on. You know what I really want to do though? We're going to do this. These two light ones. Okay, definitely doing that. Because they're light and we could do the soot on them. That'd be fun. And she'll appreciate that. And then let's do, okay, let's do one. Actually, you know, in my stash, I think I might have to give her something out of my stash. We'll see. Let's look at these. These are really big. I mean, these are big. Oh, there's a little one. Oh, there's a little one. There's a little one. Okay, now I know I need to make little ones. So let's write that down. Make ones for mighty size. So I'll just grab one of these. We're gonna need at least Let's say 30. Okay. We're gonna say 30. We're gonna order 30 of those to be made. Yeah. Okay. We got that one. And then it's a pocket. We'll do those two. I gotta remember to make these. I don't know what I was. Actually, I'm gonna just use one. And I need to make one. Man, I keep on picking things today that I need to make more of. Okay, so what do we got? We got one, we got two. Oh, and I just went over my limit with the third one. That's okay though. That is quite all right. I'm gonna see if I have anything in pink real quick. I made these. These are a new thing. I'm not sure what I think of them, but this is what I did. I literally just took a card, punched a hole in it. Look, it was an old card. Punched a hole in it, and then I just pulled the ribbon through. So that's what I did. I gotta make one of these. I gotta make lots of these. These are cute with the lace. I made this maybe, I almost could tell you that this is Shabby Dabby Doodah, and it's about a year old, and it's in her first episodes, like before episode 25. Again, this is a paperclip pocket, lace, and paper on front. Because then you can put whatever you want there, and it's a tuck. Love it. Cute. Okay. It's number 2 to make. Got my two makes over here in the corner. Okay. So we see what we got here, right? Now we gotta find tags. So this one already has a tag. Cute. Oh, it has people in it. Well, we don't want this card because it does not match. This one we'll take. It's little. This one we'll take, but we're gonna take this off because we don't need that color. And we're getting rid of this. So we're gonna have to get our tags out. It's looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, so that's where we're at, folks. These are our add-ons. This is one, babe. We're gonna get 2 more cards in here. We're gonna do 1 more card in there. We're gonna do a card here. I'm gonna do a card here. A tag, if you will. And then we have an open slot here and an open slot there. And we do have some fabric left over that I thought we might just glue down ourselves. Now this is why I'm going to kind of do this one, is because my girlfriend's so busy, she doesn't have time. And she might. I should make stuff up on her life, but I'm just saying, like, it'd just be easier. Just, these are extra, like, little, we're gonna put those on something. Oh, look how cute that will be. We'll do that. We'll do that. That looks really good once I folded it, huh? And then we'll just put that on there, and then we'll just put this on here. Or actually, why don't we put this in there? Let's see how this looks. So it's getting late. That looks nice. Don't you think? I think it looks nice. It's cute. And this piece right here, we're gonna go ahead and legit, we're gonna put it in here. Oh, actually, we're gonna do it this way. I forgot. We're gonna go this way in. Because then when we go to put it in there, look how cute that is. Okay. And we're actually going to do the same thing with this. Oh wait, I think I have another. Yep. This one might be stubby, but we're going to do it anyway. Oh, wait. Almost makes you want to leave it like that. It's so cute. Okay. There we go. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna be too much? What is it gonna do? What is it gonna be? No, it's perfect. Look at that. I was sitting here messing around. I kind of didn't want it, but it works out. Look at that. It's good. It's so cute. That is cute. Okay, let's keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I think with this guy, we're gonna just do a tab. My scissors, I left them in the other room. But you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna go brown, 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 brown. Just like it looks on the other side, right? I'm gonna keep that close. Keep that close, Jen. And I should have stamped this before I did it, but it's okay. Because that would have been super cute. But again, it's okay. I can still do it. Get some rounding going on here. Our jagged, she'll appreciate that. Cute. Okay. That's card 101, number one. Watch, I'm gonna get my back and forth kit together. Back and forth to the dining room. It's so cold in the dining room, it almost authentically, it almost bugs me because it's so cold. And I don't know if it's just because I was born and raised out here. I like the heat. I mean, I'm not big on kicking it in the garage, but I actually like my garage a lot now that I've, you know, put down a rug and set up my desk and got my sewing machine right next to me, and it's so cool. I love it. I love it, I love it. Okay, so there's one. So I still have to pick tons more tags. I gotta glue some things. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna jump off and I'm gonna jump back on and show you everything that we did, okay? All right, so I'm gonna reboot, get some water, and I will see you soon. So excited about this.